Yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here and welcome back at a very fresh new episode of Tech Paradise. And today we are gonna talk about the difference between the two lenses. The first lens I have is the Canon EF 50mm f1.8 lens, and the second lens is the 1855mm kit lens what you get along with the camera. So watch this video till the end for the complete comparison. And now without wasting any time, let's move straight into the video. So guys, before we get started, make sure to press the subscribe button along with the bell icon for future notifications. Most of the kit lenses are 18 to 55mm zoom lens with aperture range of f3.5 to f5.6. Now, coming at the prime lens, there are many prime lenses in the market, but I have the Canon EF 50mm lens with f1.8 aperture. And you must know that lower the aperture results more light in the picture and higher the aperture result in darker shots. The price of the prime lens is around 8500 INR, $120, and the 1855mm lens will cost you around 6000 INR. The biggest difference between the zoom lens and the prime lens is that the zoom lens has an adjustable focal length and the prime lens has a fixed focal length. Zooming from a zoom lens is very handy, but it's not a great thing because more you zoom, the smaller the aperture, which results in darker shots. And the kit lenses are slow zoom lenses, which means they are incapable of taking a properly exposed shot. On a kit lens of 18 to 55mm, at 50mm the maximum aperture is f5.6. On the other hand, a 50mm f1.8 prime lens offers a maximum aperture of obviously f1.8, which means it can approximately let in 10 to 12 times more lights than the kit lens. This makes the prime lens much better. For instance, this is a photo clicked by a prime lens with f5.6 aperture and ISO 1600, whereas you can see the same photo with same aperture and double ISO taken by the kit lens. Here in this image you can feel the difference. The sharpness level and the color production of the prime lens is far better than the kit lens. Now let's have a look to some snap taken by me with the 50mm prime lens. I use the camera Canon EOS 200D. And after this we will see some snaps taken by the kit lens, and after that you will understand the difference easily. And let me introduce the in-frame girl. She's Sampada, my friend, my classmate, and she's from Nepal and she's a blogger too. And all these pictures are taken outside the Grand Venice Mall, Greater Noida. So now you have seen the quality of prime lens in the evening time, and now let's move to the snaps taken by the kit lens in the same lighting condition. These all snaps are taken by the kit lens in the same lighting condition, and here you can feel the difference yourself. The color reproduction, saturation, sharpness was far better on the prime lens than the kit lens. Even at the evening time, the exposure on the prime lens was superb. The bokeh effect, known as the in-depth effect, on the prime lens was much higher than the kit lens. And here you can see, while using the zoom on the kit lens, the pictures are not properly exposed. Now coming at an extremely low lighting condition, kit lens is useless. If you are taking picture of any shiny object where you cannot use the flash, in very low lighting condition, the picture taken by the kit lens will be useless. Another area where the kit lens lack is the incapability to take a shallow depth of field. That means the background blur produced on kit lens is not very up to the mark. Anyway, kit lens has a plus point also than the prime lens, that it comes with image stabilization, where the prime lens lacks. So the final conclusion is that for taking portraits and low light shots you must use the prime lens, whereas for moving object and for wide angle pictures you must use the kit lens. Kit lens is handy because it comes with zoom, whereas the prime lens has fixed focal length by which you cannot expect wide angle photography. There are other prime lenses too in the market, but they comes with 2.8 aperture under the price segment of Rs 10,000. So for making premium videos and for amazing pictures, you must have both the lens handy. So I hope you all enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section, and if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyansh and I am signing off.
I feel drop their